Hi, Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor, and today I am going to be talking about a supplement that can be helpful for recovering from an injury or actually preventing an injury as well. So this is a supplement that is my standard process. It's called Glucosamine Synergy, and most people have heard of using glucosamine and chondroitin as a joint supplement. So it's something that you can use as kind of a maintenance. You can also use it when you've had an injury or had a really hard workout. So what it does is it really aids in that repair process. So it helps that connective tissue. So think of your muscles, your ligaments, tendons. It helps them to repair and synthesize new stuff because when we actually do strength training, for example, we actually have little micro tears in the muscle. So it's really good to help support your body in repairing that. So that's a good thing, but we can actually accelerate that repair process and that recovery process by using something like this. It also helps to support other joints and muscles, bone growth, synthesis of cartilage. It is all whole food based, so it means it's actually from food, not created in a lab, which I love. So it can be really helpful, like I said, for preventing injuries, aiding in recovery, and for bouncing back from any injuries that you might run into. Hopefully you found this helpful. Thanks, Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor.